Life goes on though.
Yeah, life does go on.
Yeah. So we have very similar shoes.
It's true. I don't.
No, we don't.
Maybe that has some. They're both running shoes.
Yeah, they are.
Probably.
There's some significance. Maybe we're like twins. Like
there-
secretly we're twins. I doubt that.
Yeah, I don't. Is it? You feel that?
Nah, I didn't feel anything. Yeah, I don't feel anything.
But I just want to see if I can hear anything. Oh, I definitely heard.
I
and felt
didn't
the
hear.
bump.
I didn't. Nothing.
Dude, is there something?
There's nothing
Let's just
in my-
open the trunk and find out what's in the car.
I want to open my trunk.
Why not?
There's nothing in there. It's just trash and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. I don't believe you.
Make the kangaloo.
I wanna open this thing. It could be something that snuck in that you didn't know about.
Yeah. Obviously there's something.
Oh my! Are you okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Ethan! 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 Are you okay? Sir, are you... I don't... Explain this to me.
I found it on the side of the road.
Him. Ethan!
Whatever.
You have to be reminded of his humanity. Are you... Sir, are you... You're not okay. He's a good guy, I thought.
He had a pizza like sign.
He had a
He was
sign.
like advertising.
Is this true? Oh, you were the guy. You're the guy in front of Little Caesars.
mugged me. Well, no.
You mugged him.
I grabbed him and put him in my trunk.
Grabbed it. That's the
because
same thing.
I need.
That's like.
I don't have your wallet.
What did you do with it?
You dropped it as I put you in the trunk.
Right.
Are you
No,
okay?
no, wait, no.
Also, I want to know how don't I have cell service in your car, but I have full bars now?
I don't believe anything you say now. I don't believe your
Right.
car is made of titanium. I don't even know. Did you really? Did he?
I
He
need
mugged you.
to drive home.
He kidnapped you. I'm struggling now, Ethan, because I like you, but
This is bad.
okay, this is serious.
I'm not seeing the bad in it. I mean,
Well, okay, he is from Little Caesars, but
true fact. I mean,
still,
Little Caesars is a good joint.
he's still a human
minimum
being.
wage.
Yeah, but
It's not a good joint.
you get good pizza.
It's not pizza, it's hot and ready.
You know, I don't associate it with pizza.
Yeah.
You think about it, it's
I
been there for a
associate it with
long
it being
time.
hot and ready.
No, exactly. I'm not like.
That's not the. Just
okay,
stop
sorry.
arguing about pizza and let's talk
Hot and
let's
ready
talk
is
about
a
your
product.
kidnapping problem.
It's pizza.
It's not a problem. It's just one person.
Excuse me, I'm a human rights activist. He called me.
Whoa, this is like the State Farms thing or something.
Now you're my friend.
like
No,
like a good neighbor.
State for the human rights activists
This is
are there.
there
Yeah.
with a trucker hat.